My name is Layla Malgosa, and I'm doing Mission Report 8, our solar system, and I chose Mars Odyssey. And here's an image of Mars. So the Mars Odyssey was successfully launched on April 7th, 2001. Its job was to detect water and shallow buried ice on Mars. It was also designed to study the planet's radiation environment. So here's an image of Mars Odyssey launching, and this is a closer look. So Odyssey has provided global maps of chemical elements and minerals that make up Mars' surface, maps of hydrogen distribution that led to discovery of vast amounts of water ice buried just beneath the polar region's surface. So here's an image of Mars and the polar regions of the water ice, and here's a closer version of it. So Mars Odyssey has been circling the red planet since 2001. It broke a record in 2010 for being the longest serving piece of machinery to work at Mars. So here's an image of the Mars Odyssey. And behind you can tell that it's the water ice that we just looked at. So a few little facts about Mars is that its distance from the sun is 228 million kilometers. It takes 687 Earth days for Mars to make a complete orbit around the sun. It is a rocky planet and has a thin atmosphere, which is carbon dioxide, argon, nitrogen, small amounts of oxygen, and water vapor. So here's an image of Mars, and you can tell that it's very rocky. And Mars Odyssey spacecraft has collected more than 130,000 images. It has information on Martian geology, climate, and mineralogy, and it also served as communication with Mars exploration rovers Spirit and Opportunity. So here's an image portrait of Mars Odyssey and Spirit Opportunity right here, and then some other ones like Curiosity and Sojourner. Alright, and that is my reference.